What if I told you one simple kitchen ingredient could wake up your soil overnight? Not fertilizer, not chemicals, not expensive store products, just yeast. Yes, the same yeast used for baking bread. Today, I'll show you a simple, beginner-friendly trick that helps stimulate soil microbes naturally and explain why it works. Healthy soil is not just dirt, it's alive. Beneath the surface, billions of tiny organisms are working every second. Bacteria, fungi, microbes. They break down organic matter, they unlock nutrients, they feed your plants from below. When soil life is weak, plants struggle. When soil life is active and balanced, plants thrive. So the real secret to healthy plants is feeding the soil life first. Now let's talk about yeast. Yeast is a living organism. When you mix it with warm water and give it a little sugar, it activates, it wakes up, it multiplies. And here's the important part. We are not adding yeast to replace the microbes already in your soil. We are using it to stimulate activity. Think of it like ringing a bell underground. It creates movement, energy, biological activity. It's like waking up the soil workforce. Here's the simple recipe. 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 liter of warm water. Not hot, just warm. Mix it gently. Let it sit for about 30 to 60 minutes until it becomes slightly foamy. That foam means it's active. Then, dilute that mixture into a watering can with more water. Never apply it concentrated, and always apply it to moist soil, not dry soil. To use it, simply pour the solution around the base of your plants. Avoid the leaves. This is for the soil. And remember, more is not better. Once every 3 to 4 weeks is more than enough. This is a stimulant, not a daily fertilizer. So what should you expect? You might notice slightly greener leaves, stronger growth, a healthier smell in your soil, sometimes even more worm activity. But here's something important. Yeast boosts activity. Compost sustains it. This works best when your soil already has organic matter. The yeast sparks life. Organic matter keeps it going. Now, a quick warning. Do not overuse it. Too much sugar in soil can cause imbalance. Always dilute the mixture. Never pour thick yeast solution directly into the ground, and avoid using it in waterlogged soil. Moderation is the key. But here's the bigger lesson. It isn't really about yeast. It's about understanding that soil is alive. When you feed the soil ecosystem, the soil feeds your plants. And sometimes, the simplest kitchen ingredient can spark powerful natural growth. Healthy soil, healthy plants, simple methods. If you found this helpful, subscribe, share, and like my content for more beginner-friendly soil tips that actually make sense. Because the real magic happens underground.